Good morning, Jai Hind, good morning, Jai Hind, good morning. Audible? Good. All good and happy? Yes, Mayur is confident about being good and happy. Good. Goes like the story of this world goes like the story of this world goes like yesterday we had completed the conceptual build up of probability, right? So if it is given that P of A by B, okay, P of A by B is 1 by 5. It is also given that P of B is 2 by 5. Then what will be the B complement intersection A? Quickly. I hope you got the question. So even if I wouldn't have given this information, beta, even if I wouldn't have given this information, then now I'm asking directly what is the formula for this? What is the understanding you get from this? It is P of A minus P of A intersection B or B intersection A. Got it? Yeah, very good. Right? Acha, okay, P of A is not given. Sorry. Sir. Sorry. Really sorry, sir. A and B are in. So you will be like, अब तो lottery लगी. Why? Because this is given P of A intersection B upon P of B is equals to 1 by 5. This numerator is nothing but 1 by, sorry, P of B into 2 by 5. Yes or no? Upon 1 by 5. ये क्या हो गया? Hey, there's रुक जाओ. Correct only. P of B given and A and B are independent. अच्छा क्वेश्चन खराब कर दिया मैंने. P of A intersection B upon P of B is given as 1 by 5. P of B is given as 2 by 5. So P of A intersection B is 2 by 25. Clear? That means P of A is also equal to 2 by 5. Clear or not? Sure. Then it is a pretty easy scenario. 2 by 5 minus 1, 2 by 25 is equals to, quickly, 25. 10 minus 2, 8 by 25. Got it? Sorry for messing up here. Sorry for that. Yeah. I had like clear. A bag titled A contains 2 white and 3 red. Okay. Yes. Because they are independent event, na beta. Ravi, A and B are independent event. That means A intersection B is P of A into P of B. Clear? Now, this was given as 2 by 25. P of B was 2 by 5. I am an idiot. My mistake. Yeah, sorry. 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 Equal to 1. The question was P of B recording. P of B complement minus. Listen. So sorry, of A minus P of A intersection B, right? Sorry, P of A is 1 by 5 minus P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B is 2 by 25. So yes, it is the same thing. 5, 3 by 25 by. Why 2 by 25? Right? Good. So yes, we were up to a question that there is a dabba. Very good. There is a dabba A which contains 2 white and 3 red balls. Okay. There is another dabba B which contains 5 red and 4 white balls. One ball drawn from any at random. Okay. If ball is red of it belonging to dabba B. So which type of question is it? It is a Bayes theorem type question, right? You don't have to namely remember it, but it's an easy. In Bayes theorem kind of scenario, we first calculate the denominator. Right? So you'll be like, ठीक है हो गया. If we would have selected dabba A, coming out of it is 3 by 5. And if we have selected dabba B, then the probability of red by coming out of it is 5 by 9. We want B. Got it? Yup. Easy, 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 easy. You can simplify it. 5 by 18 upon, repeat, Anshu, see beta. First of all, why in these, you will first of all enlist all the probability. All the probabilities of getting a red ball is from dabba A. Clear? Because there are only two dabbas. The probability of getting ball from dabba A, right? Clear? Will be the probability of getting dabba A will be half. The probability of getting dabba B will be half. If dabba A is selected, the probability of getting dabba A is 3 by 5. The probability of getting a red ball from dabba B is 5 by 9. Clear? Out of this should belong to dabba B, hence that goes in the numerator. Okay, Abhi? Better, because there are only two options. Anshu, only probable. Either you will go to A or you will go to B. Okay? Right? Right? 25 by 50, yeah, 52, correct. See, numerator is 5 by 18, denominator is 3 by 10 plus 5 by 18. Okay? So, yeah. So it will be like in the denominator 180. 18 threes are 54 plus 50, 104. In the numerator 5 by 18, 10, 2, 5 and 2, 52. 25 by 52. My mood, Ganesh. I really did not see that. Wow. Good. I really did not see that. Wow. Good. Good, 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 good. Got it? Yeah. Yesterday we did the lies wala question, na? A man can lie and all, right? A man can surely lie, just whether we done it or not. Yeah. We are coming to that, beta. These are, you will read it and you will understand. We are coming to that. Don't worry. Question. An event was conducted n times. If probability of 6 success is equal to probability of 8 success, then if probability of 6 success is equal to the probability of 8 success, then how many times we tried? Easy. NC6. Easy. The word attempt, okay, sure, will be helping you out to trace whether it is a trial or not. Okay. Question. A die is rolled and, okay, a 2 or 4 considered if there are only 3 available attempts. What is the probability of success? Got it? Abhi people are coming up. Out of 3 attempts, I want 3 success. Okay, the probability of 1 success is 2 by 6. Clear? Failure will not happen, so the answer is 1 by 27. Okay. Gunaprasad, beta see. I'll say, for example, there is a match of Ludo going on. Okay. So if I'll get 2 or 4, I'll win. So probability of winning is 2 by 6. So probability of not winning or losing is 2 by 3. Yes or no? Sure, Right or not? If the person wants to be winning in all the three attempts, it's like 3C3. Clear? He wants all the three success. A die is rolled and a 2 or 4 is considered a success. So every time he should get a 2 or 4. It's not that got it. You are considering that was a scene. Okay, got it. See, no. So okay, I guess I somewhere missed the word all. Okay, so I got what you are understanding. See, what Gunaprasad is saying is, sir, it is like solving a problem. Okay. For me, for Ankur, the probability of solving a question is 1 by 12, right? So I'll get only 10 questions correct in the UPSC. Clear? So now, if he attempts, a question thrice, okay, what is the probability that the question will be solved? So the world is like, out of the three attempts, even if one time the question is solved, the question is solved. Yes or no? Clear? If two times the question is solved, the question is solved. Clear? If three times the question is solved, the question is solved. Yes or no? Which can also be stated as that the question is not solved. Clear? Got it. 1 minus not solved. Clear? That is that scenario which they are talking. Okay. All the three, the scene of this game was all the three attempts should be either 2 or 4. Okay. Good. 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 Chalo. If the mean and variance of a binomial variate x, if the mean and variance, what is the value of mean actually? Without even knowing the question, NPQ. No, sorry, NP. And variance is NPQ. Right? If it is given that the mean and variance of a binomial variate is 2 are 2 and 1, then what is the probability of success? Such a thing to question. Very good. For a binomial probability distribution, mean is 3 and standard deviation is, mean is 3 and standard deviation is 3 by 2. What is the distribution? What is the distribution? Now, what is the distribution is P plus Q to the power n. Okay, that is what they are asking. Beautiful question. Solved. If you know this, it is solved. No, beta, it will be 1. You have to write it in the form of P plus Q to the power n. It will always, anyway it is 1 only, na? Understand? Beta, what is Q? Q is 1 minus P, na? Always it is 1. No, you have to write it as what is P, what is Q, what is N. Like for the previous case, where NP was 2 and NPQ was 1, you calculated P is equals to Q is equals to half, right? If P is equals to half, N was equal to 4. So your answer would, for the last case, the answer would be half plus half to the power 4. Now what will be your answer for this case? Good. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 to the power 4. Okay. So here, squaring on both the sides, we will get N P Q equal to 9 by 2. So we get Q equal to 3 by 2. Is it possible? नाइन बाय फोर साला मैं गधा हूं. Q equal to 3 by 4. ठीक है. P equal to 1 by 4. So answer will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, but we don't know N. So as we will put P equal to 1 by 4 here, we will get N equal to 12. Clear? Why 4? Right? Got it. P equal to 1 by 4, beta. If Q is 3 by 4, P has to be 1 by 4. Clear? Okay, Kavi Priyan? Very good. Excellent. The probability of a bomb hitting a bridge is half. Probability of bomb hit bridge is half. Clear? And 2 direct hits are needed to destroy it. Okay? Requirement is equals to 2 hits. Yes or no? So that is what is success. Clear? The least number of bombs required so that the probability of the bridge being destroyed is greater than 0.9. If the probability of success is greater than 0.9, then number of attempts, minimum number of attempts is equal. So that's a beautiful question. That's a beautiful, beautiful question. Okay, options might help. Okay, 9 attempts, 6 attempts, 8 attempts, 7 attempts. तो मयूर इज लाइक 7 में से 2 लग गए तो मजा आ जाएगा लाइक दैट. 6. देखो what I am thinking on the line is, I don't know whether I am right or not, but you say. See, minimum 2 hits are required. More than 2 hits will work, right or not? Hmm. Yes or no? एक लगेगा तो काम नहीं होगा. एन में से एक भी नहीं लगेगा तो काम नहीं. तो क्या मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूं 1 माइनस NC1 प्लस NC0. क्या बोलती पब्लिक? कैन आई राइट इट लाइक दैट? That's my thinking. What I'm doing is Adhiman. See, out of n attempts, I don't know which one will hit. Okay. Out of n attempts, any two will hit. Two should hit, right? The total of doing the probability is 1 minus failure. Failure is when none of them will hit and when one of them will hit. Yes or no? 1 minus failure is success is what I thought. And this appears to be a solvable equation. So we will solve for equal to 9. We will solve for equal to 9. So this is how you solve inequality, right? Yeah. So what's coming? 8. Some people are like 8. ये तो गलत हो रहा है भाई. 8 भी हो गया, 7 भी हो गया. Someone said 6 also, right? Okay, Ganesh is like, please. That's okay, Ganesh. Don't worry, I'll solve. ये तो बना तो दिया ज्ञानेश. Can we solve this equation? See, can I erase this? क्या करना है? Send it here. Send it here. 1 minus this is 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n nc1, which is n plus 1. Got it? Now, no solution, hit and try. Clear? There isn't any solution because it's an exponential combined. Yes or no? At max, what you can do, 2 to the power n by 10 is equal to n plus 1. Actually, what it should be, instead of equal, what sign should be? Greater. Yes or no? So, so 2 to the power 5, see, what were the options? 9, 6, 7, 8, na? Clear? So I am like सबसे कम 6. 2 to the power 6 is what? 64. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes or no? 6.4 is not greater than 7. Clear? 7. 2 to the power 7 is what? 128, that is 12.8 is greater than 8. Yeah, that's an answer. Got it? Sure. That's a good question. That was a really good question. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Yep. Good. That's a really good question. Sure. By 1 by 2 to the power n, beta see, so the probability of hitting is 1 by 2. So whether it will hit or whether it will not hit, n times, right or not? So the combined format is n only. Clear? Oh, sorry, power n. Clear? मेरा फोन काफी देर से बज रहा है बेटा. I'll just see. मेरा फोन देगा अंकित. Yeah. बजेगा. So, from Ramesh Pokhriyal, Union Minister, there is a note today in the paper which says silent majority of students wants exams held. Now, देखो, even if exams are getting postponed, my dear friend, it won't be postponed for NDA. Why? I'll tell you. NDA feeds to the security requirement of the nation. Okay. So, if one chain is broken for a full term, there will be a deficiency of 350 plus officers. That too in major combat roles. Yes or no? So that's why that can't be altered. Clear? That is why you can see the ongoing training at NDA. Okay, IMA got stopped. Okay, so NDA never got stopped. NDA is ongoing only. Even it is preponed. So the batch which has to pass out in November of 2020, okay, 20th November was the scheduled passing out parade. Okay, will now be passing out on, I guess, 28th September, I guess, or 9th October. I forgot the date. मेरे को दो पासिंग आउट परेड की डेट याद है, कौन सी किसकी है भूल गया. Okay, so that's the scene. So the question is, the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 2. Mean is 4, variance is 2. Okay. Then what is the probability of 2 successes? कितना सुंदर क्वेश्चन है. First of all, you will have to calculate how many attempts are there. So from here, you have Q is equals to 1 by 2. So P is equals to 1 by 2. P is equals to 1 by 2, the number of attempts is 8. Yes or no? Probability of 2 successes is 8 C2 8 7 Q. Eight factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 factorial into 1 by 2 to the power 8 is 2 to the power 8 is 512, right? No, 2 to the power 6 is 256. So it is like 8 into 7 upon 2. 4. 4 से इसको काटेंगे, 4 6 are 24, 4 4 7 by 64 आंसर आ रहा है भाई. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ओके, got it, 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 got it. Probability now you guys will kill, I know. Two cards are drawn. Two cards are drawn. Two cards are drawn without replacement. Okay. So probability of one of them is an ace. There isn't any word at least, okay? So be careful. Don't everywhere apply at least and at most a concept. You should not be doing that 1 minus none of them is ace, okay? Some questions like the last one, okay, will be coming. Don't worry, don't worry. Sure. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Hmm. Now you guys are in confused state. देखो, फर्स्ट कार्ड दिखाया, उसके एस होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है। दूसरा कार्ड विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है तो डिनोमिनेटर में 51 हो जाएगा। एस नहीं हो, राइट, is 48. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sure. ऐसा हम दो तरीकों से कर सकते हैं, द रिवर्स ऑफ इट एज वेल। फर्स्ट कार्ड should not be an ace, second card should be an ace. Clear? So this is the answer. So 4, 13 और कुछ जाते ही नहीं, खत्म हो गई जिंदगी। नहीं, 3 से जा रहा है। 3, 16, 3 1s, 3 7s, 32 by something something. Clear? 32 by something something. Yeah. अंशु बेटा देख, विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट कर रहे हैं ना, अंडरस्टैंड इट बाय नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स। देखो इस डब्बे में देर आर 3 वाइट बॉल्स एंड 7 रेड बॉल्स। ओके, सो यू वांट ओनली 1 रेड बॉल। दो अटेम्प्ट में इन 2 ड्रॉज विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट यू वांट बोथ रेड, सॉरी 1 रेड। तो तुम क्या करोगे? तुमने कहा कि सर पहला हाथ डालूं और रेड निकल जाए, 3/7। जो रेड बॉल निकली वो बाहर रखी हुई है, वो अंदर नहीं गई। दूसरा हाथ डालू तो अब रेड नहीं निकलना चाहिए, तो नॉन रेड बॉल्स तो 7 ही है ना बेटा, बट टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स कम होकर 6 होगी। कहो हाँ, सॉरी 7 और 2 9 होगी, मैं गधा हूं। क्लियर? श्योर? अब ऐसा मैं 2 तरीके से कर सकता हूं। इसका रिवर्स ऑर्डर भी। अरे यार सॉरी, ये 3/10 मैं Okay. Sure. Chalo. Thank you very much for your time, guys. आज अच्छा, one second, listen. There is a slight change in timing. We'll be meeting at 12. Yes. We'll also be meeting at we will also be meeting at 3:15 p.m. Okay. Because today you have your history day na, in the evening. Yeah, so for that, like, we will do the class in early and then you can go for the history day. Okay. Usual days so that 6 p.m. class will be there. Today at 6 you will have your quiz, so I am like scheduling it up. Okay. History day, like you remember. अच्छा ठीक है, कल बायो और केमिस्ट्री, अरे मयूर वो नाइन्थ के लिए थी रे बेटा, नाइन्थ और टेंथ के लिए थी, वो एनटीएससी की शीट है, वो एनडीए की नहीं है, तू कंफ्यूज होगा, उस पर टाइटल पढ़ देख. So, Tarni, beta, if you remember last week on Thursday you had your English day. Remember? So similarly, today is a history day. I am trying to make it history and geography day, but don't want to complexify things for a single day. Okay? Sure. अच्छा, 4 you are having school का class. Okay, no problem. See, okay. Relax. No problem. Then we can meet later. Okay? 7:15. Sure. Okay. Good. I'll share the link. No problem. Good. Bye.